Yedre. Samaki Swai Yahuwa ila henu Yahuwa eka. Amen. We are hata es Yahuwa. Amen. Allah ika bika luvika. Amen. Uvika na vasika. Uvika ni yeduka. Tole yasa. Amen. Tole yasa. Amen. Tole yasa. Tole yasa. Amen. Mese. Opiet mi longa yo.
Yes, Kasano. Hebrew. So not Hebrew.
Opiet mi longa yo. Babi Yedre.
God have mercy upon us.
I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. WONTUMI is in the news again. WONTUMI has really suffered under the NDC government because of alleged illegal activities that have been placed on him, and also giving someone a site in forest for the person to also mine. So many controversial issues. WONTUMI went to court. He was given bail. He slept in the custody. So many things has gone on WONTUMI, and WONTUMI was adjourned on 28th October to be in court. Today being 28th October, WONTUMI was supposed to be in court, but WONTUMI was nowhere to be found. So the court made sure that they will send arrest warrant so that they will go and find WONTUMI. Anywhere WONTUMI is, they will bring WONTUMI to the court so that everything will be okay. So when they were about to send a search warrant and everything, WONTUMI was in the court.
Casa, good morning. Good morning.
Any message for us today?
But when WONTUMI was in the court was trying to let us understand that they cannot do anything. So the case has been adjourned to 4th November. So let's listen to what WONTUMI's lawyer Apiakubi, have to say in this video.
The matter was slated for today. Republic versus Chairman WONTUMI and Cømplaín. We presume that the time was 10 a.m. So we have prepared to come at 10 a.m. In any case, today's matter was a CMC, case management conference, and the Attorney General was supposed to serve us with the discoveries 1 week before today. We did not receive any such service, so we knew that we'll come to court and take another date for Attorney General to be able to serve us. Only for us to get to the court before 10 a.m. and be informed that the matter had been called and adjourned and a bench warrant issued against Chairman WONTUMI. We found that one disturbing, so we made an application to the registrar to ensure the court reconvened, because the client was already in the premises of the court, except that we mistakenly advised him that the matter will be called at 10. So the court came back to sit and rescinded the decision in respect of the bench warrant. So for now, the case stands adjourned to 4th of November at 9 a.m. in the court premises. We thank you very much for your support and your guidance. We appreciate that. Let us not continue to belabor the point. It is only part of the process of the court that when an accused person is not present, when the matter is called, one of the issues that will arise will be whether or not the accused person deliberately refused to present himself in court. And unfortunately, we've been able to prove to the judge that we were thinking at cross purposes. This is not the case of the accused person refusing to appear before the court, but our mistaken belief that the court will be called at 10 a.m.
Apiakubi has explained in the video that they were there, but they told WONTUMI that WONTUMI should relax before they do all those things. So right now, the case of WONTUMI has been adjourned to 4th November, as I said earlier on. WONTUMI is one of the stressed person under NDC government because of the way his government was in power, the way he was ranting, flirting of gold and all those things. We always that WONTUMI will be giving final verdict, whether WONTUMI will be in jail or whether WONTUMI will be freed, because the up and down going and all those things, it's not something that we have to encourage. We want the courts to give us what they have to do so that WONTUMI will know it's left and right. Ghanaians are still watching, and Ghanaians are waiting for the final verdict of WONTUMI's case. So we are waiting and we are watching. Another thing that is also popping online, a young white lady in Ghana, we call it Obroni. Yeah. She has come to speak about fraudulent while she was almost being fraud.
Scammers in Ghana have really upgraded. It's no longer send me your Momo pin or I've sent you 200 cities on Momo, please send it back to me, whatever. Now it's just like kind of scams that you might fall for it for a second. I mean, if you don't pay attention, easily you can fall for it. So I came across this page on TikTok. The moment I saw it, I was like, oh, this is cool. Like, I would like to book this place. Where is it? And they claim that it's in Kokrobite. So I read the comments and people are like, okay, is this legit? Is it real? And it's like, oh, believing is sin, something like that. And I'm like, okay, what kind of answer is that? If you're legit, right? Just say, okay, yes, you can find our website. Okay, this is what we have. So it was a bit fishy how they responded. So I went online and I searched for it. And guess what? And you know, this was the third scam that I came across this week. It was yesterday that there is a Thai restaurant in Jowlu. They sent me a message saying that they're running a promo. It's 200 Ghana cedis, and if I pay 200 Ghana cedis, I can get certain food plus a free massage. And for a second I was like, oh my gosh, it's really nice. Who doesn't like a free massage, right? And I bought food from them for long. And then they sent a message that the promo is only available until 2 p.m. And mind you that it was 1 p.m. So I'm like, what kind of promo is that? Like, what kind of pressure is that? You're telling me in 1 hour I have to make up my mind and order it? So I was like, I don't like the way they are doing their customer service. Anyways, I ignored it. And then next thing I know, they sent me an SMS saying that we've been hacked. Someone is using our name to demand 200. So I'm just asking you to please be extra careful. And I feel like it's getting much more difficult to understand what is a scam and what is not anymore. All I can say is that if something just feels a bit off, trust your gut, because honestly, apart from your gut, I don't think there's any other way to find out what is a scam anymore, because scammers, they're going to another level.
If you are online, you have to be very careful. If you really want to maybe buy something online, you want to book something and everything, go to their website, read it. Make sure that maybe if the thing you are buying, let the thing to be delivered to you before you pay. If the company or the person don't want to deliver before you pay, you have to go there yourself and go and buy. Because coming up with money is a very something else together. So please protect yourself, protect your sanity. And we have to understand that scammers will always be there because they've claimed that that's their job. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very vigilant. You have to know when and how to go about things, because immediately you slack, immediately you lose control or you lose attention, your money will go before you realize you are scammed. So be very careful out there. Make sure that everything that you do, you calculate it. If you don't understand something, if you have a friend somewhere, let a person teach you. Don't be like you know everything before you go and spend huge sum of money and never get anything from return. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.